So we have some building here. So this is the first building, and let's say Sam is right here. Okay. So then the angle of elevation to the top of the other building is 41 degrees. So let's say this is the other building, right? So that means if we have this line here, the angle of elevation is just going to be this angle here. So that's going to be 41 degrees. And the angle of depression, so to the bottom of it, it's going to be this angle here is 54 degrees. But we know that the buildings are, right? Assuming we can draw this perfectly. So let's ignore this little part here. This is 56 meters apart. Okay, so we want to figure out first, what is the height of the second building? So that's going to be this value here. And second, we want to find the height of Sam above the ground. So that's going to be this height. So let's call this h prime. Okay, so we know this, right? What I can do is for this question, I will split it into two different parts, x and y. Right? This 56 meters is this length here as well. So the x value here, according to this angle, is going to be opposite, and this is adjacent, right? So then tangent of 41 degrees is x over 56, right? And same for this triangle here, except this time it's tangent of 54. Okay? It's going to be y over 56, okay? So I want to find what x plus y is, right? So notice that if I were to add these two equations, I get tan of 41 plus tan of 54 is equal to x plus y over 56, right? Because they have the same denominator. So when I add, or when I multiply both sides by 56, this is x plus y, which is our height, and it's going to be 56 times these two tans adding together. Okay, so that's going to give you approximately 126 meters. Okay, to search for this h prime is the same thing as y. Okay, so knowing that this is 56 and this is y, right, we had this equation up here, right? So we just have to isolate for y just by multiplying both sides by 56. Okay, so this is going to be the height of Sam above the ground, and that's going to be approximately 77 meters.